everyone, welcome to my channel, and I will be right now watching the teaser of an upcoming Malayalam film. This movie is titled as Echo. I hope that's how it's pronounced, guys. So this movie is actually written, like the writer of this film is the one who wrote Kishkinda Kandam. So it's the makers of Kishkinda Kandam. And yeah, I'm very, very excited. Sandeep Pradeep is one of the lead actors here. So let's watch this teaser right away.
The Japanese divisions are facing heavy resistance in Malaya. Civilian casualties are rising as the occupation grows increasingly stringent, asserting pressure across the supply routes.
I'm sorry. Right. Oh, Kishkinda Kandam, obviously that's one. Kerala Crime Files Season 2, was it also related to some animal? Kishkinda Kandam, obviously. So this is the third one. So this is the final chapter. Okay. So he had 3 stories written already. Oh.
They will supply dogs to military and police in India.
The nature is going to play a big role here, especially the dog. From the Infinite Chronicles of Riachan. This looks so intense. Oh my goodness. Malayalam cinema is just reaching, not reaching only, reached the next level. They've reached. They're there. This teaser was packed with a lot of intrigue and mystery. I am assuming there is obviously going to be a crime involved here as well, some mystery. And this also looks to me like an emotional thriller, like Kishkinda Kandam was, like, because you were, putting the pieces together of what has happened, how it has happened, this and that. And then the ending twist completely blew our minds away. It was not just a shocking twist, but it was also an emotional twist, right? I have not seen Kerala Crime Files, the season 2. I've watched season 1, but I've not watched season 2. I'm assuming there is some sort of emotional, it is a thriller because it's Kerala Crime Files, but I'm guessing there's some sort of an emotional connect with an animal. Somehow they are connected, like how it was there in Kishkinda Kandam. This also looks in the same theme. Thematically, I'm assuming it's all same, because otherwise they wouldn't have said it's like the final chapter of the Animal trilogy, right? Visually, this looks absolutely stunning. And the vast landscape also shows the mystery. The vast forest and the dense forest, they're always holding so much of mystery, right? You don't know, you are going into the unknown territory in a way. Also very happy for Sandeep Pradeep. He's another actor definitely to look out for, because he has been giving good performances, Alapuda Gymkhana, then Padakalam, now with this. So I'm very happy to see him get cast as the lead here. So we'll have to wait and watch to see how the performance shines, because this looks to me like a very intense kind of role over here. And I just know that the cinematography is going to be absolutely insane. But what I'm really looking forward to is, because it's from these makers, is how the story is weaved. how they talk about the Malaysian dog breed, how it comes into play, and the dog seems to be like very central to this theme. Definitely I feel there is some crime involved here, so how it all gets resolved and what is the mystery, like I said, when you are showing us such large landscapes of deep forest, so there's definitely some unknown mystery which is lurking inside. So yeah, I think this looks really intriguing, very, very serious, very mysterious, and I am hoping that again it'll be in some way emotional. That's what I am assuming right now. So that was my reaction to the teaser of Echo, and let me know what are your thoughts, what are your expectations, and with that I will end this video here. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this, and I will see you soon on my next one. Bye.